Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to optimize your website for mobile devices? This guide will help you customize the mobile version of your site using Wix's mobile editor. Let's edit the mobile version of your Wix website today. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, go ahead and open your Wix domain and basically go to your dashboard. In here you should be easily connected to your website if you do have one already. If not, simply just create a new one by clicking on this button, clicking on some other options, just talking to the AI, and it will help you to generate the best websites for yourself. Now for us, we already have a website, so I'm gonna go directly to one of my websites and then I'm gonna show you how you can edit the mobile version of this website. So first of all, I'm going to click here on edit sites and this page should be open for us. Now this page is very important since it is the page builder of our site. Now to get the access, now of course as you can see here, this is the PC version. So like the screen is big, the website is large, everything is widely large in front of us, but what we need to see, actually what we need to convince ourselves and edit with our tools here is the mobile. We should know how our website looks like in a mobile version. Now there is the traditional way. In case Wix doesn't have this option, we can use F12 and basically you can change the device from here. So you can change the device by clicking on this button and this will open this kind of thing where you can choose exactly which device you want to see. Now this has some downsides and some good sides. For example, the downside is the fact that it will literally be like that. Like the website will not be large enough for you to see, so it will not show as it should be on the phone, but you could use it to test your website by clicking on it and somewhere, doing stuff like that, and looking at dimensions and how it would look like in some of the mobiles. So for me now, I'm not really interested in that. I'm just gonna turn it off. Alright, and I'm going to show you this tool that Wix already has it implemented in it, which is basically right here next to your pages. Under developer mode, click on switch to mobile. Once you click on it, look what will happen. Voila. So this is what's happened exactly. So this is, as you can see, the mobile version. Now we have to go here. Let's go. How do you want to customize your header? Do you want it to fade out, disappear, or scrolls with the page? So you can choose it even. So what I'm gonna do is basically like fades out. Let's click on next. Here we have floating on the bottom or no action bar. We don't need any action bar. Click on next, and here back to the top bottom we can add like a button. Then we can simply go to mobile editor. Since we have done that, as you can see, we have now our website open right in front of us. We have this button that will allow us to go to the top, and from the top it can allow us to go to the bottom, depending exactly on which place of the website you would like to go. So here, if I click if I went all the way to the bottom and I clicked on it, basically it will take me to the top. But of course now we are on the editing mode, so I'm not being able to click on it as if I am a user. I'm clicking on it as if I am a developer, or basically the editor of the site. So if I click right here on publish and then I view my mobile site, as you can see, you can view your mobile, your published site on mobile, scan the code, and you'll be able to see it. So you'll be able to see it on your mobile. Now let's test it if it was the same thing on site. So let me just open the site. There we go. So as you can see, the button or the top button, which will take us to the top, is not really included in the site version or the PC version. So this is like something that you can edit, of course, which is like something that you can hide in mobile, show in PC, and vice versa, which you could really have the maximum usage of it to your advantage, and it will help you a lot to actually manage to make your website looks better depending on the device itself. For example, for the PC, you might need some tools, you might get rid of some tools, and the mobile version, you might want to have some tools and you might want to get rid of other tools. So this is why I really like the Wix mobile and Switch desktop basically version, because they help you a lot to determine and to show exactly what you want. For example, here on the left you have this option which is hidden on mobile, so you can literally hide some sections from your mobile. So if you, for example, now you can see everything, literally you can see everything on your editor screen, but once you open these on your mobile you will not be able to see them. For example, if I click right here, I can click here and I can literally choose which one to show, which one to hide, which one to remove entirely. So it's a very useful. This thing is not really showing in the desktop version. Let me just click on desktop. Yeah, it's not really showing here. So basically what you could do is to add everything that you want to add to your mobile version or PC version, and basically the thing that you don't want them to be included in your mobile, you can just go to your mobile version and edit them to be hidden, which is very smart thing to do, since users on mobile are completely different on users on the computer or desktop, and basically the mobile is entirely different than the desktop itself, so the interface and basically the user experience is gonna be totally different, so you have to work on it as well. So this is why this is better, 100% better, like than using the F12 option, which will allow you to only see the mobile in the desktop mode, not the mobile in the mobile mode. If it does make any sense for you. So this is very helpful to understand, and it will also not give you the access to this eye, which will hide a couple of stuff. So this is why I love doing this throughout this mobile desktop thing, or basically option or parameter that exists on Wix, since it will not be available everywhere else. And yeah, this is basically the basic stuff that you need to understand about the uses of the desktop, or how to edit your Wix website using the mobile option, or how to see it using the mobile. So you simply, let's do a quick recap so you can understand 100% what we were talking about in this video. So we go to wix.com firstly, and then you have to open your website, which will take you back to your dashboard for that specific site. From the dashboard you have to click on edit site, which will take you to the page builder. In the page builder top left corner you will find the menu, Wix logo, and under it you will find another bar which has the page's name. And this page's name, which is right here, you will find these two icons to switch from mobile or to switch to desktop. All you have to do is to switch to a mobile version, and just like that you will be able to have your mobile running in your PC, so you can hide elements, hide sections, show sections, hide and remove stuff as you'd like. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced, or anything that you want us to talk about in the future video, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. I really love your comments guys. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.